Hi, I'm Sean Kelly.
Dynamic Telly!
I'm here to tell you that we've still got 2 days to book onto the digital workshop.
Hey,
at
borrow
Beckenham,
your phone
and
now!
Hey, come back, what are you doing? The 7th digital workshop run by Martin Deal from Silver Foxes Digital and myself. We've helped many business owners to kickstart their video presence on the web. Here's what they thought of the experience.
Well, it's a little bit scary, but yeah, professional stuff has got to be better.
It gets you thinking about who you are and what you've actually got to say. I think that's really important.
But you make it so much easier. It's a warm, inviting environment, and I think you do a fantastic job.
I felt immediately that I could have a natural conversation about my business.
It's very, very natural, very, very easy. I hope I came across naturally too. Yes, I would.
I think that this works really, really well, and hopefully it's come through. But it was a really good experience.
Have you ever done anything like this before?
No.
How was the experience?
Very good, very easy.
I can see that very professional, very efficient and very friendly. So I can highly recommend you to any business owners.
It's been really good actually. I'm really, really excited, and it made me feel really relaxed, and everyone was fantastic.
I think this is a great way of getting the message across in a different way.